Hi everyone, I'm Martin from Waibu, and if you follow my videos on LinkedIn, you'll know that I'm really keen about talking about Waibu and how we are bringing a unique value proposition to 60 million consumers in the UK. Waibu is the only thing, web app or mobile app, that matches you to the best mobile deal based on price and signal strength where you live, work and hang out. Nobody else can do that for you. We're pushing Waibu to 60 million consumers in the UK to help people save money on the things they need to buy to live their life. As part of that consumer-facing value proposition, we have an insight portal, which is the home of our anonymized data, which helps operators to understand more. And that's the product that I'm going to show you this evening. Hopefully, my home Wi-Fi will support me sharing my screen and logging into our test portal as we get ready to launch this product at the Connect 365 event in London next week. So fingers crossed, let's go straight into our product and show you a bit of what we're doing. So our product's accessible from the web, and I'm actually going to log out so I can log in from the very beginning. If you look at this page here, our splash page, it describes the portal, the home of millions of anonymized events that have been collected anonymously from tens of thousands of UK consumers using our mobile app. And those events revolve around usage patterns, device type, current mobile network, signal strength changes, and location changes. If you have a look at the counter on the left-hand side, and hopefully you'll be able to see my mouse, you can see that we're literally collecting millions of network events, and the number of network events increases with every second. The number of offers we compare also increases with every second, because every second that ticks by, it's very likely that new consumers across the UK have downloaded Waibu to save themselves more money on the thing that they actually need to buy. So I'm going to log in now behind the splash screen so you can actually see the map of the UK. And hopefully we'll be able to extract some rich data from that and give you a flavour of what we're doing here. So each dot on the map here is unique, and it relates to a device ID that's anonymized. Interestingly, I actually find it really difficult to find myself on this map, even though I know my own device ID. Privacy, data security and accuracy is absolutely vital to Waibu, and everything we do revolves around quality. There's no way a mobile network operator or us can identify an individual human being from this map. Quite frankly, it's impossible. So I'm going to hover over a couple of them, and I'm going to show you at the access and highlight a snapshot of the data that we have about individual consumers. And I'm going to do it at random just so you know that this thing's real. So I'm going to pick one up here initially. And we can see that this consumer is anonymous. They're on the same network as me, O2 UK, who happen to be the best network in the Home Valley, which is a challenging geography for any mobile network operator to deploy service. The customer's got an Android device, and we can see there a clear average signal strength rating for that individual user. If I click on this dot, which I'm not going to do because we're unveiling this product next week, we'd be able to see that user's usage profile and the list of Waibu recommendations. So when you click on a dot, the amount of data that we collect is expanded, so you have access to it, and it gives you a history of that consumer's current network, what they're using the device for, what the range of best deals in the marketplace for that consumer are. It very much reflects the value proposition that's in the consumer-facing app. This portal is actually used by mobile operators to do two things. Look for individual problems in signal strength based on a particular location with a date and timestamp, and look to see if the consumer matches a persona that that mobile operator wants to target. Let's have a look at another randomized dot. Same network, same device, no signal strength ratings for that user yet, which is really important. Signal strength for consumers is vital. So Waibu, we don't guess this stuff. Until we have an accurate signal strength rating for work, live, hang out, we will not populate that information. We don't guess, we use clever technology to give a clear recommendation where the consumer, the mobile network, and Waibu all win. That three-way win to us is really important, and that's actually one of the founding principles of our company. Choose another one at random. Completely different mobile network, again an Android device, and again a different level of signal strength. So I hope that's given you a clear understanding of what our Insight portal will achieve when we launch it next week in London. And I've got to say, we're fabulously excited about having yet another product with a clear value proposition to add to the Waibu catalogue. If you want to know more about Insights, you can do one of two things. You can come to the London event, you can email me, and I'll do a remote Zoom demo for you, which is recorded so you have a point of reference. If you want to email me, I'm mg@waibu.co.uk. I'm happy to answer any questions about Insights or our consumer-facing products. Thank you.